Find the missing number sequence.
Now class, I will give you a sequence number. This is so easy.
Okay, Mom. I will do it right. Find the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4.
My answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You're wrong. Ha 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 ha. The correct is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 multiplied by 2 to get the next term. And 8 times 2 is 16 to the 8. Oh wow, that's correct, girl. You get a pass to me.
Hi sir, pinili ko tong symbols na to na example ko ngayon dito sa comics ko. Kasi madali lang hanapin yung sequence number niya by multiplying lang po. Ganun lang po. Katulad na itong ginawa ko. The sequence you provide 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Madali lang po siya sagutan by multiplying 8 by 2 to get the next term. Ayun, sir. Ito times mo na. 8 times 2, 16. Kasunod ng 8, sir. Bale, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, sir. Kaya yun ang napili ko.